Why Most Investors Fail. Lessons from the Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. In a world obsessed with quick profits and hot stock tips, one book has quietly stood the test of time, guiding generation after generation of investors with timeless wisdom. It's not a flashy bestseller. It doesn't promise overnight wealth, yet it remains the single most respected book in the world of investing. That book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Today, we uncover the lessons that have shaped the minds of billionaires and reveal why most people fail in the markets, not because they're dumb, but because they never learn how to truly invest intelligently. Part 1. The difference between investing and speculating. Graham draws a sharp line between the investor and the speculator. The intelligent investor is calm, patient, and focused on long-term value. The speculator? He chases trends, follows the crowd, and bets on price movements. One plays chess, the other rolls dice. Investing is about analyzing the intrinsic value of a company, its earnings, assets, and prospects. Speculating is about predicting what other people will pay for it tomorrow. Graham warns, if you don't know whether you're investing or speculating, you're probably speculating. Part 2. The power of margin of safety. Graham's most powerful concept is the margin of safety. He teaches us to buy stocks like we would buy groceries, only when they're on sale. You don't need perfect foresight, you just need a buffer. By purchasing assets at a price well below their intrinsic value, you protect yourself against errors, market crashes, and bad luck. In a world of uncertainty, margin of safety is your best defense. This is not gambling, this is wisdom. Part 3. Mr. Market, your servant, not your guide. Graham introduces us to Mr. Market, an imaginary business partner who shows up every day offering to buy or sell shares at wildly different prices. Some days he's euphoric, other days depressed. Your job as the intelligent investor is not to follow his mood, but to take advantage of his foolishness. When prices are too high, sell. When they're irrationally low, buy. And when you're unsure, do nothing. The market is not a reflection of reality. It's a reflection of emotion. Master your own, and you will master your wealth. Part 4. The defensive versus enterprising investor. Graham outlines two types of intelligent investors, the defensive and the enterprising. The defensive investor seeks safety and simplicity, index funds, diversified portfolios, consistent returns. The enterprising investor is more active, searching undervalued stocks, digging through financials, finding hidden gems. Both can succeed, but only if they stick to their strategy. The key is self-awareness. Know who you are and invest accordingly. Part 5. Emotional discipline and investor psychology.
Graham understood that the greatest danger to your wealth is not the market, it's your own mind.
Fear causes you to sell at the bottom. Greed pushes you to buy at the top. Impatience makes you chase fads. Arrogance convinces you that you're smarter than the market. The intelligent investor trains their emotions. They stay humble during booms, calm during crashes, and rational when everyone else is losing their minds. Part 6. Lessons for modern investors.
Graham's principles may be decades old, but they've never been more relevant. In a world of meme stocks, crypto hype, and algorithmic trading, intelligent investing is more than a strategy, it's a mindset.
Build your portfolio like you would build a house, with patience, planning, and solid foundations. Ignore the noise, focus on value. And remember, success isn't measured in days, it's measured in decades.
Warren Buffett once called The Intelligent Investor the greatest book on investing ever written. And if there's one takeaway, it's this. You don't have to be brilliant to build wealth. You just have to be disciplined, patient, and intelligent.
If this video brought you clarity, consider subscribing for more timeless lessons in wealth, finance, and personal growth. Because in a world full of noise, we're here to deliver wisdom.